Hi everyone, welcome back to the Coder Shop channel. In today's video we're exploring what's new in Odoo 19 accounting. Version packed with smart automation, AI-powered tools, and smoother workflows that make managing your finances faster and easier than ever. Let's take a look at the key highlights and see how they work in Odoo. Let's start with invoices. Odoo 19 now lets you fully customize invoice sections while creating invoices. Before, sections were static, but now you can decide what to show or hide in each one. For example, you can hide prices in one section and show composition details in another. It's a small update, but it makes your invoices much cleaner and more professional. You can also switch invoice currency directly from the invoice form now. Once you select a different currency, Odoo automatically puts in the latest exchange rate. Or you can set one manually or choose an older rate from the calendar icon. And here's the smart part. Odoo automatically detects if you have a bank account in that same currency and switches to it automatically. So if you're invoicing a customer in euro, your euro bank account gets selected instantly. No manual changes needed. Next, let's talk about self-billing, a new feature in Odoo 19 designed for businesses that need to create bills on behalf of their vendors. You can enable it directly from your journal configurations. Once it's active, you'll be able to create self-billed invoices just like regular vendor bills. Each one includes a dedicated self-billing reference number and fully integrates with e-invoicing, so your vendors can receive it on their end. And to keep everything synchronized, Odoo can even notify your vendors when new bills are generated, reducing errors and saving time. The bank reconciliation view has also been completely redesigned. Now all your transactions appear in a clean and structured list view, making it easier to review and match them. One of the most helpful updates here is the addition of the purple suggestion buttons. Odoo uses these to suggest the most appropriate action to reconcile each transaction, saving you time and reducing manual errors. The system also learns from your past actions and can automatically create reconciliation models for similar transactions in the future. If you'd like a full walkthrough of this new interface, we already made a separate video. You'll find the link in the description below. Now this one's a big upgrade. Odoo 19 introduces expense cards. You can issue physical or virtual company cards that link directly to your expense app. You can assign a card to an employee, set spending limits, and even restrict categories. Whenever an employee uses the card, Odoo automatically creates an expense using data imported from Stripe. No need to fill in an expense reports manually anymore. However, this feature is currently available only in Europe. Since we're based in Canada, I can't show you the full functionality just yet. But it's a huge step toward automating employee expenses. Next, let's take a look at the new tax return journal. Once you define your tax period, say monthly or quarterly, Odoo automatically generates a clear overview of each period, showing its submission status and deadline. If you open one of these periods, you'll see that Odoo now runs automatic checks, like missing bill attachments, draft entries that haven't been posted, or mismatched taxes. These checks help make sure your reports are accurate before you submit them. You can mark each item as reviewed, supervised, or flagged as an anomaly, making collaboration between accountants and managers much smoother. And once everything looks good, we can submit the return directly from this screen. While we are talking about taxes, there is another improvement worth mentioning. If you open one of the tax records, you'll notice that fiscal positions are now much easier to manage. You can assign them directly on the tax card, along with the replacement taxes, all from the same screen. It's a small change, but it really simplifies handling regional tax rules or export scenarios without switching between multiple menus. And finally, let's talk about something brand new, the Review tab. Odoo has now separated the accountant tools into a review menu and a reporting menu. The review menu includes some familiar tools, plus two new additions, working files and the annual report. Both features make period-end reviews and book closings much more efficient. Inside the Working Files menu, you'll find a built-in audit checklist that helps you review balances, track variances, upload supporting documents, and mark items as reviewed, all in one place. It's a great move toward making Odoo a complete audit and closing assistant. And once your working files are reviewed and finalized, you can move straight to the annual report section. Here, Odoo automatically builds your annual report using templates from the Knowledge app, including your financial statements and attachments, ready to share or print right from Odoo. So that's a quick look at what's new in Odoo 19 accounting, from smarter invoicing and better automation to more efficient reviews and closings. If you'd like to see any of these features in detail, let us know in the comments and we'll make a full tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.